Hello everyone, I am Chef Sumit Samadar, Assistant Professor of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. So today I have brought up with another new menu for all of you. And what we are going to make today we are going to make a kebab. Now the first thing what comes in our mind when we talk about kebab is it is made out of meat. Usually all the kebabs are made out of minced meat that starts from beef to lamb or to mutton. But today what we are going to do is we are going to do something new. What we are going to do, we are going to make a Shammi kebab, which is generally being made with meat itself. Basically it was previously started off with preparing lean beef meat and followed by mutton or lamb. But today we are going to do something different. We are going to do vegan cuisine. So before I go to the kitchen and show you how to do it with in a vegan style, let me tell you what is basically vegan cuisine all about. Vegan cuisine means any kind of dish which doesn't have any kind of animal products or byproducts as in ghee, butter or milk or yogurt. So we are going to replace the meat over here with soya granules and we are going to make a Shammi kebab. So let's go to the kitchen and I will identify you with the ingredients and we will start cooking. Let's go. So we are in the kitchen. I will show you the ingredients first. This is the soya chunks which I have boiled in salted water for approximately 6 to 7 minutes and then I have cut it into thin slices. We are going to, in a Shammi kebab, usually chana dal or potatoes which are used as a binding agent. So I have taken one piece of potato which I have grated. Along with that, in the spices and other things, I have taken approximately 5 grams of ginger which is chopped, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic which is chopped over here, and 2 pieces of green chilies which I have also chopped over here. In the whole spices, I have taken 3 grams of cumin, whole cumin, and whole garam masala which includes cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. In the powder spices, I have taken chaat masala which is 1/4 of a tablespoon of chaat masala. I have taken garam masala powder which is half of a tablespoon and 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili powder. And to give it a flavor, what I have used, I have taken fresh coriander which is half cup of fresh coriander finely chopped, and I am going to take lemon juice out of it which is approximately going to be 3 ml of it, and along with that I have half a cup of chopped onions. Along with that, for the seasoning purpose, we have salt and black pepper powder. And since I said it's a vegan cuisine, so to cook it we are not going to use any ghee or butter. So what we are going to use is refined oil, and I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of refined oil into it. So let's start cooking. That's over here now, and I will place my pan on top of it, and what I am going to do is going to add some oil. So when the oil starts to become hot, I'm going to add the cumin first, and we'll wait for the cumin to start to crackle. So while it has started already to, so our spices, our whole spices have started to crackle, and now what we are going to do is we are going to add the onion. And slowly cook it till the time the onions become translucent in color, and add some salt and pepper. And now we are going to add our ginger, garlic and green chilies. Now Now once this has been mixed nicely, what we are going to do, we are going to add our soya granules in the pan, and along with that we will add our powder masala, that is the red chili masala, the red chili powder, the garam masala powder, and of course the chaat masala powder, and we will continue cooking till the time the excess moisture which is present in the soya granules are being dried off and all the spices mix up nicely. At the end, what we are going to do, we are going to add the chopped coriander, and then we will follow on the next step. So now you can see that most of the moisture has been dried off. What I am going to do now, I am going to add the chopped fresh coriander and the lemon juice. And give it a final mix. And once this has been done, we will need to cool it down, and after that we need to make a paste out of it or blend it in a food processor. So this is done now. I will leave it for 2-3 minutes so that it cools down a little bit, and then I will show you how to make the paste of it, and we will carry on with our vegan Shammi Kebab. So our mixture has cooled down, and what we are going to do now, I have taken a blender over here, mixer blender, and I am going to make paste of it. I'll show you. We have to take a small one. Why? We need a fine paste. So little by little we are going to put the whole mixture inside this and make a paste of it. So we have grinded the whole mixture, and the texture of it is going to be like this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add our binding agent. So in this case the binding agent is the boiled and grated potatoes. I'm going to add again a pinch of seasoning, that is salt and pepper, and we are going to mix it nicely. So to talk about vegan cuisine, while I am doing it in the introduction, as I said, vegan cuisine means that there should not be any animal products or animal byproducts. In India, the trend is also growing, but abroad in Western countries, the trend is already there. There are many restaurants by famous chefs who are making vegan food, and there are many international celebrities who have switched over from consumption of meat to vegetable products. And when you are consuming products like soya or tofu or tempeh, they provide the equal amount of carbohydrate or the protein which you obtain from consumption of any kind of meat. Even in the milk, if you are talking about milk, consumption of soya milk or almond milk has more amount of protein when you are comparing it to the cow milk. So now our mixture has been completed. Now what we are going to do is we are going to shape it like a patty or like a tikki. So we are going to take a generous amount of it, and then going to roll it tightly, and then just press it. To seal off the sides, take a plate and just roll it like a wheel, and one patty is done. Show you one more. again tightly roll it, press it and roll it like a wheel to get the desired shape. Like that we will finish all our mixture, and then what we are going to do, we are going to keep it for rest for 10 minutes so that everything holds together. And since you have all observed throughout the video, everything in this mixture is already being cooked, so we just need to shallow fry it till the time we get color on both the sides. So I'll finish doing the rest of the mixtures. So I have shaped all the kebabs into the patty shape, and at the same time I have placed my pan also on top of the flame and waiting for it to become a little bit hot. Once it becomes hot, what we are going to do is we are going to add the refined oil and we are going to shallow fry it. So it's hot now. I'll add the oil. And we are going to place our kebabs. So 4 at a time. You can, whatever you are comfortable with, you can put 1 or you can put 2 or 3. I'm going to put 4 and I'm just going to shallow fry it till each side gets nicely golden brown in color. It is approximately going to take 2 to 3 minutes on each side. One side has been cooked nicely and I have flipped it on the other side to get it cooked. So the color of it should be nicely golden brown in color. So I have cooked one side for 2 minutes and I have flipped it and just now, and I am going to wait and cook it for another 2 minutes. So once this is done, I will come with the presentation. As you can see, all the kebabs has been shallow fried, and now what we are going to do, we are going to do a plating for this. So for this I have got this board, and on this board I am going to do the plating of the kebabs. Now we cannot serve mint chutney as it is a vegan cuisine, and in mint chutney we usually add yogurt into it. So what I am going to do is I am going to add our homemade mango chutney. So I have got some homemade mango chutney over here, which I am going to add on top of this. Sprig of coriander, some lacha onions, and slice of green chili. Okay, so today I have shown you how to prepare a vegan Shammi kebab with very simple ingredients like soya or potatoes, and the ingredients are very easily available. I suggest all of you at your home, please try to make it with this simple ingredients, and I'm 100% sure that this is going to be a hit in your family when you share with everyone. So till the next time I come up with another interesting recipe like this, I wish all of you stay safe, stay healthy. This is Chef Sumit Samadar, Assistant Professor of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. Thank you.